Okay, I want us to make the equation for these and not do them in your head, okay? A certain number is multiplied by 2. What does that mean, Ben? A certain number is multiplied by 2. 2x. 5 is taken away. Minus 5. The result is equals 19. Okay, Barry, when you bring the 5 over to your side, what happens to it? Comes a plus 5. What's 19 plus 5? 24. And then what's 24 divided by 2? When you bring this underneath, it's not take away 2, it's divide by 2. X equals 12. Okay, most people start off pretty good. Now, next one. 5 is added to a certain number. Stop there. How do you do 5 is added onto a certain number?
X plus 5.
X plus 5. This new number is then multiplied by what, Oisin? 3. And then the new number is multiplied by 3. You get 3x plus 15. What does the result equal? What you do next, Oisin? And you get 3x equals 21 minus 15. And then x equals 2. Okay. Most of you just got a bit mixed up. You didn't make the number. You make the number. It's x plus 5. Then multiply it by 3. We have to multiply both the x and the 5 by 3. Any questions? In these questions, you can see that you have two distinct numbers, okay? So ready, Aaron? 3 times a number. What's 3 times a number? 3 times a number. 3x. And then it's added to another number. Added to the second number.
Y.
Plus y. Answer is? 13. Okay, Paul. The first number, what's the first number?
3x.
Not 3x, just x. Is added to 3 times the second number?
3y.
And the answer is?
7.
7. Okay guys, Paul, pick a letter for me to get rid of, x or y? Y. Okay, this is 1y and this one here is 3y. What would I have to change the 1y into to get rid of the 3y?
Minus 3y.
So what do we need to multiply the top one by?
Minus 3.
Minus 3. Multiply by minus 3 and what happens?
So minus 9x plus minus 3y equals
Minus 39. Okay. The other one stays where it is. Now what you do next, Paul?
so that's 9x equals
Not 9x, no.
minus 9x.
Minus 9x plus 1x?
Minus 8x.
Minus 8x, perfect. The y's? Minus 39 plus 7? Minus 39 plus 7, Barry? Minus 32. Now, you have two ways of doing this. First way is to say x equals minus 32 divided by minus 8, guys, not plus 8. Multiplying by minus 8 turns into division of minus 8 when it crosses the equal sign. Another way to do it is to multiply both sides by, anybody? Multiply both sides by minus 1. And you get 8x equals, and then x will equal 32 over, which is 4. Either way, the answer is 4. Now, most of you did good. You try to get the y value then. How do I get the y value, Kenny? Okay, so Kenny decided to choose equation 1. So what Kenny said was, see the way it's 3 times x plus y? So Kenny said is, why don't we do 3 times 4 plus y equals 13. What's 3 times 4, Kenny? 12. That's a 4, not a y, by the way. 12 plus y equals 13. What's y equal to, Kenny? 12 to your side, and 13 minus 12? Y equals 1. Ryan, question. Okay, now this one here. Write 2 cent, €2.50 a cent. How would you do that? 2.50. €1.70 a cent. 170. Let x be the price of a pen and y be the price of a pencil. Write down an equation to show the following. 5 pens and 2 pencils. Okay, still don't know, but thanks. 5x plus 2y equals. How much do 5 pens and 2 pencils cost?
250. So this is 250.
Yeah. And then the second one, 3 pens and 2 pencils
3x plus 3y
equals
170.
170. Okay. Solve the 2 equations. So this is part 3. Solve the 2 equations. Noah, which letter would you like to get rid of?
Y.
Okay. And any idea how you're going to get rid of that y?
Just put -1 on, like, Jesus, like.
Choose one of them and multiply them by -1. But choose the bottom one, okay?
Alright.
Minus 3x minus 2y minus 170. What do we get? 5x minus 3x? 2x. 0. 250 minus 170?
1.
250 minus 170, anybody? 80, guys. 80 divided by 2?
40.
Sorry? 40, yeah. Okay, we happy with that? Now, what do I do next, Oshin? No, I already have x. What do we need after x?
You like add them
I have to pick one of the equations. Which equation do you want me to pick?
yeah.
Alright, the 5x plus 2y.
So you're summing in.
So what am I subbing in?
40.
5 times 40 plus 2y equals 250.
5 times 40 is 2.
Good man. And then where does the 200 go?
Over there, so 2 y plus 250 minus 200.
And then after that?
Y plus 50.
Yeah. And y equals? 50 divided by 2? 25. Okay, how many people got 50, 40 and 25 yes, for that? Right, so only half the class. What do you get, Noah? You seem to know a good bit of it.
Oh, I didn't try the question.
Did you know?
No.
Surprising considering you're able to do it today.
Yes, I did try the question. Never mind, it's this one.
Okay. Now, this one's a difficult one, guys. Are you ready? Paul, when a number is added to its square. So x is the number. What is added onto it? X squared. The answer is 20. Bring the 20 over to your side. What happens? Noah. Bring the 20 over to your side. What happens? X plus x squared minus 20. Now, can somebody else tell me what we have to do next? Kenny? Huh? Yeah, but before that, we have to put the x squared in front, and the x in the middle, and the number at the end. Find the reference number. What is the reference number? Reference number is minus 20. And then, what two numbers will multiply to give you, what numbers will multiply to give you minus 20, yet when you add them, they'll give you plus 1? Aaron?
No, I just have a question about it. I put down 4 and you still give me 0 marks.
What we have here, guys, is so anybody tell me what do we do next here? The two numbers are 5 and 4. Which one has to be negative, Barry?
4.
Why?
Because if you put 4 and minus 5, it would be -1.
Okay, good man. So x minus 4, x plus 5 equals 0. What do we do next? Charlie?
Multiply them.
Not multiply them. If you multiply them, it goes back up there.
answer.
X minus 4 equals 0. X plus 5 equals 0. Then what you do?
With one the other side.
And you get
X equals minus 4.
plus 4.
Okay, plus 4. And X equals minus 5.
There you go. Right, so your two answers there, okay? Moving on. Now, a rectangle has width x centimeters. Its length is 5 centimeters longer than this. Write down an expression for the area of the rectangle. What is area of a rectangle, Aaron? Yeah.
It's X plus 5 plus X plus X plus 5.
No, that's the perimeter. The area is
multiplied by X.
plus 5. You multiply length by width. What you get when you multiply it out?
2X plus
No. X by x,
2X.
x squared,
X squared plus
5x. What's the difference between 2x and x squared, anybody?
2x is 2 multiplied by x, and then
2x means x plus x, or 2 multiplied by x, while x squared means
x
x
minus x.
multiplied by x. Two of them are multiplied by each other. Okay? Now that we've established that, can somebody tell me how do you set up the equation now? Barry, any idea? Ryan, any idea how to set up this equation? The area.
the area, right? The equation.
If it's 36, what does that mean, guys?
Oh, yeah, sorry.
X minus 5 equals
It means the total area has to be 36.
36, okay. And now that you've done that, what's next?
You have to write, I wrote down,
Bring the 36 out of your side. You only do a reference number when it has equals 0 on one side. Okay. Oisin, what's the reference number?
36.
Nearly.
Oh,
Very close. Not 36 though.
minus 36.
Minus 36. Minus 36 means it has a minus and a plus decision to make.
I did mine differently.
I did plus 9 minus 4.
Plus 9 minus 4 is correct. How did you know it was plus 9 minus 4?
Because they add up to give you the plus 5.
Plus 5 in the middle. So x brackets, x bracket equals, and then what we're going to have?
X plus 9.
Yeah.
X minus 4 equals 0.
Then after that, Kenny, look up. X plus 9 equals 0, x minus 4 equals 0. What's next then? Yeah. Which answer can it not be? Why can it not be minus 9? Any idea why x cannot be minus 9? Aaron?
An area can't be a minus.
An area can't be minus, and a length can't be minus either. You can't say you're minus 5 foot tall. Doesn't make sense. Okay?